It's a big one. Wow. Look at the size of that guy. How about that? Well, this is kind of an unusual one. I walked up and I saw the ground moving and watched this guy go across several different places. Man, he is a big one. Look at the size of those paws. So I watched him going across several different places, and it seemed like when I walked up, maybe he heard me, and then I looked across and he was moving several feet away. And then I looked across and he was moving several feet away. I started thinking, was there more than one mole working in the area, or what was going on? So basically I went over to the end of a run where he was working and would have been getting ready to get set up to catch him. And then if he started moving another maybe 8 feet away again, and he was going through a run, and I videoed that as he was going through a run. It was like maybe he was hearing me. They are so sensitive on what they hear. He was hearing me, and then he would move to another area because they listen for predators. If a fox or something like that, they hear them on top of the ground, they'll stop working or they'll run away to another area. So not sure how all that was coming together, but I decided to go ahead and walk down all these runs. And as I started walking them down, I started seeing there was a run going further and further and further away. As I stepped my boot on one of the runs, it looked like it started popping back up. And I've never really, to have it happen like it did just now was really strange. Instead of him just sitting there, and he was kind of at an end of a run, I guess. There was about a foot left to walk down. So I decided to stop and wait. And sure enough, he started coming right back through the run that I just walked down. Pretty crazy. So anyway, I would love to teach you how to catch your own moles. I know you can do it. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.